The U.S. Supreme Court has invalidated sweeping tariffs imposed by Donald Trump under emergency powers, marking a major limitation on presidential control over trade. Pharmaceutical supply chains, drug pricing, and cross-border negotiations all face new legal constraints. On the 20th of February, the Supreme Court struck down tariffs imposed under the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, or IEEPA. The court held that tariffs are legally a form of taxation which Congress alone can authorize. Any attempt to impose broad import taxes through emergency powers exceeds statutory and constitutional limits. IEEPA allows the president to regulate transactions, freeze assets, and impose sanctions during national emergencies. However, it has never been used to impose sweeping tariffs. The Supreme Court emphasized that emergency powers do not give the executive free rein over large-scale economic policy, and any action of this magnitude requires explicit congressional approval. Chief Justice John Roberts reinforced a core principle: major economic decisions, especially taxation via tariffs, remain within the legislative branch. Emergency declarations cannot bypass Congress to reshape trade or the domestic economy. This ruling clarifies the limits of presidential authority and reinforces judicial oversight over expansive statutory interpretation. Industry stakeholders will recall that tariffs were used strategically to influence pharmaceutical pricing, incentivize domestic manufacturing, and negotiate cross-border trade deals. With emergency powers constrained, those tools now operate under tighter legal limits, slower procedures, and higher scrutiny. Drug importers, manufacturers, and distributors may face new cost volatility and potential litigation over previously collected duty. Alternative statutes remain for imposing tariffs, but they require formal investigations, statutory findings, and defined time limits. The court's decision ensures that future tariffs cannot be deployed instantly under a broad claim of emergency, limiting sudden market shocks. Pharmaceutical companies and investors must calibrate strategies for pricing, supply chain planning, and trade negotiations in this new legal landscape.